Let's talk about the latest launched INFINIX smartphone Smart 8, with vibrant glow texture design. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.6-inch HD plus punch hole camera cutout, and the brand refers to it as Magic Ring because it expands into pill-sized cutout and offers charging and status updates like Apple's Dynamic Island display, resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, approximately 90% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, 500 nits peak brightness, approximately 267 ppi pixel density, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual AI camera setup on the rear that includes 13-megapixel main camera, along with 0.3 megapixel depth camera and a ring flashlight. For selfies it has 8-megapixel front camera, video recording, maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of XOS 13 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.6 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.6 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by Unisoc T606 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable through dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164 by 76 by 9 mm, and the color options shiny gold, crystal green, galaxy white, timber black colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5 headphone jack, 200% super volume with DTS, and USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The INFINIX Smart 8 has been expected priced in Pakistan for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 29,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 33,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 37,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this INFINIX Smart 8 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.